Bonjour Abu. Hello everyone. 8th grade student. This is your page number 127. So on your page number 127 one topic is given. So firstly we will do this topic, then we will do the exercises of chapter number 2. So student, these topics you have already done. What is this? This is the indefinite. These are the articles. Okay. First is indefinite article. Indefinite article is a, an and some. So in French, you know very well, we have to classify everything into masculine, feminine and plural. So un we use with masculine person, une with feminine, and des with plural. And the next article is this is the indefinite article, and the next article is definite article. Here is wrong written. Definite article. This is the definite article. Definite article is the. So we have four type of the: le that we use with masculine, la that we use with female, les that we use with plural, and this l apostrophe that we use with starting with the vowels. Okay, and the partitive article means some. Okay, partitive article means some, and partitive du we use with masculine, dala we use with feminine, they we use with plural, and del apostrophe we use with starting with vowels. Now these are the partitive article. Partitive article means when we are talking about any e-tables. Now the next is contractive article with a. Okay, it means to the, at the or in the. To the, at the or in the. How we write down to the, at the or in the in French? Au means to the or at the or in the for male. Ala means for female. O is for plural, and a l apostrophe for starting with vowels. Now contractive, one more contractive article with the. This the, it means of the or from the. Okay, so the du, the l apostrophe, the la or they, these are the of. They both are same partitive article and contractive article. Okay, du, del apostrophe, dala, they, but here the meaning is some, and here the meaning is of the or from the. So we can use this word according to the sentence. Now last article is article demonstrative. Demonstrative article means this, that, these or those. Okay, so ce is ce we use with masculine. Set we use starting with the masculine but vowel. Set we use with feminine, and say we use with masculine plural or feminine plural. So I hope firstly learned this table. This is very easy and very useful. So on the basis of this table we will do the exercise of chapter number 2. Now students, open your page number 30, exercise number 1. This exercise is related to the article definite and the article indefinite. Now you know what is indefinite article and definite article. These are the indefinite and definite articles. So un, une, des, le, l apostrophe, la and les, we have these words that we have to put in the brackets. This is your first exercise that we have that I have done for you. So students, do this exercise in your book. The meaning is written here. Okay, meaning is written. So somewhere we are using the, and somewhere we are using some. Where we use definite article and where we use indefinite article, there is a difference. Indefinite article we use when we don't know about any noun or any object. Okay, and definite article we when we know something about the object or the noun. For example, elle préfère la musique classique. Now here specified, defined ki which type of music she like the classical music. So when the thing is defined, then we use definite article. Now B part, Ilya, there are some oranges, some apple, and one lemon in the basket. So we don't know about the any specific thing about the fruits, so we are using definite article. Now la pupe the Rohini a petit. Now Rohini's doll is small. Here it is defined. Whose doll is this? Rohini's doll is this. So that's why definite article they are using. Like this, you have to put the definite or indefinite article according to the sense of the sentence. So I hope you can able to do this. This I have done for you. Exercise 1. All the parts are here. Pause your video now and do this exercise in your book with pencil. Now exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is complete with the contractive article. Now for this, move on to that table. So according to the table, we have two contractive articles. Two contractive articles we have with a and with the. Okay, so this you have to put in the second exercise. So to the, at the, or in the, or of the, or from the. So according to the sense you have to put. So I have given the meaning of the lines. For example, first is Elle parle à son ami. She is talking to her friend. So here we are using to. So for to we use a only. Okay. Next part is la fleur du jardin so belle. The flowers in the garden are beautiful. In the, not in the, of the garden are beautiful. So here for of the you have to put du. Okay, you can also put here au also. In the garden, at the garden also, of the garden also. So here both type of contractive article you can put. C part, Paul offer the rose a la fee. So fee to the girl, for to the we have to put only a la. So these are the exercises. Please do these exercises. Firstly read the meaning of the line and then put the correct article here. So I have done this for you. Do this in your book. F, G, H, I part are here. Now after this third exercise is about your partitive article and your article definite. Now your article definite is this and your partitive article is this. Using these two articles we have to complete our sentences. So these are the answers. Please do accordingly. Meaning are here. This is your third exercise. Do this exercise. Now fifth exercise. Fifth exercise is demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective you know very well. So the demonstrative adjectives are these, that, these or those. This, that, these or those. Then sir, saith or say. So do this exercise. Ce journal est anglais mais ce journal est français. This newspaper is English but this newspaper is French. So both of the this because they are newspaper are the male person, then we are using say. Now jardin is also male. How do you know this is male or female? Whenever the word is ending with e, then it is female. Whenever not ending with e, then male. But in 90%, you know all this rule very well. I know this thing. So just do this exercise. This is your fourth exercise. This is your fifth exercise. Okay. So student, for today we have done first, second, third and fifth exercise. Do this exercise in your book with pencil. Au revoir, à bientôt.